Check it out, King Production. I'm trying to fix this bike, the add motor. Check it out, the addition. Yeah, want some bike? Fixing a boat. Try to tighten up so the wheel won't fall off. Hold on, Kylie. Hold on, Kylie. This is Kylie. Number Kylie. Just tighten up a little bit. Oh, it's not that one. It's loose too. So it looks like it's tightened up a little bit, y'all.
Y'all gonna say when to go to when are you?
So it's good to go.
You say every day. You wanna go?
Mama Kylie.
Alright, I'm gonna drop him at the gym.
That's my two boys.
Sound.
How you doing?
Get ready.
Yeah, that how fast you go, Jeremiah? 30 miles per hour? Boy, this is a fast bike.
You gonna drop me in the parking lot, right?
Yeah. Alright, man. Oh yeah,
this thing can literally drive.
Well, let's see how it's gonna work out with this. Let's see the ride. They're about to ride it right now. You put the key on the side.
Man, I got a whole key. Feel like he's driving now. Isn't it supposed to come in that car? Right?
No, but
Alright, look at that. They're about to ride, my two sons. Check it out. Add motor.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Mom. Bye-bye, Mom.
Yeah, they're about to ride it right now. The add motor addition, y'all. Check it.
Bye-bye, Mom.
Alright. So if y'all like this video, subscribe to my channel, King Production. Y'all take care.